Trust me, you won't want to miss these holiday delights. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our exciting and merry content. Origami isn't just about folding paper. It's an art that embodies patience, precision, and unparalleled creativity. The Origami Christmas tree, and Santa Claus in particular, highlight how simplicity and beauty can merge to create something truly festive. Starting with just a square piece of paper, we'll guide you through each step, transforming it into charming decorations that are sure to bring holiday cheer. Think about the satisfaction of making artistic pieces that entertain and amaze. As you follow along, you'll not only improve your origami skills but also gain a deeper appreciation for this timeless craft. From the first crease to the final fold, this tutorial guarantees you'll grasp the essential techniques needed to bring your origami Christmas tree and Santa Claus to life. Each fold brings you closer to mastering the art of origami, providing you with valuable tips and tricks that can be applied to other projects. But it's more than just the end product. It's about the journey itself. Each fold is a step towards creating something extraordinary. You'll uncover the therapeutic benefits that come with the practice of folding, finding inner calm and focus with every fold. The sense of accomplishment when you complete your Christmas tree and Santa Claus is unmatched. You know you made simple pieces of paper into beautiful, festive decorations. Origami has its roots deep within the historical and cultural fabric of Japan, originating from the traditional practice of paper folding. This craft has been passed down through generations and has evolved with every new fold. The Origami Christmas tree and Santa Claus, while seemingly simple, hold a rich history and meaningful connection to the past. The magic of origami lies in its ability to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. A single sheet of paper, meticulously folded, can become a work of art that brings joy and sparks imagination. The Christmas tree and Santa Claus are perfect examples of this magic, turning flat pieces of paper into dynamic creations that charm and captivate. Throughout this video, we'll dive into the intricacies of each fold, offering useful insights and valuable tips to ensure your Christmas tree and Santa Claus look perfect. We'll explore the importance of precision and patience, showing how these qualities can elevate your origami skills from good to exceptional. You'll discover that each fold brings a sense of calm and focus, highlighting the therapeutic benefits of this art form. As you master the Origami Christmas tree and Santa Claus, you'll develop skills applicable to a multitude of other projects. The techniques you learn here will serve as a foundation for more complex creations, opening the door to endless possibilities. Whether you're aiming to impress your friends, find a new holiday hobby, or enjoy a moment of creative zen, this tutorial is the perfect starting point. The intricate art of origami reflects life itself, requiring patience, practice, and the willingness to learn from each fold. It's a meditative practice that challenges the mind and soothes the soul. Crafting the Origami Christmas tree and Santa Claus is like embarking on a miniature journey, culminating in satisfying pieces of art. Imagine the conversations these little creations will spark, the smiles they will bring, and the joy of saying, "I made these." Origami is more than just a craft. It's an expression of creativity, a dance between hands and paper that results in something beautiful and tangible. The Christmas tree and Santa Claus, with their festive designs and simple beauty, are gateways to the endless possibilities origami offers. Consider how simple pieces of paper can become mediums for creativity, vessels for bringing ideas to life. The Origami Christmas tree and Santa Claus aren't just decorations. They're testaments to what can be achieved with focus and imagination. This ancient art bridges the gap between the mundane and the magical, offering a tactile experience digital creations can't match. So grab your paper and get ready to embark on this exciting origami adventure. By the end of this video, you'll have created an impressive origami Christmas tree and Santa Claus, taking your first step toward becoming a master of the craft. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling origami projects. Let's unfold the magic of paper folding together.